Links from websites with a domain rating of 80 and higher, and this is on scale from 0 to 100, these links signal high trust to search engines, and they will be boosting your website's ranking. Although a manual search for those links is an extremely time-consuming quest. In this video, I'll explain you how to use our guest posting and free backlinking tools to discover those domain rating 80 and higher links, that are to follow links, and that are perfectly aligning with your niche and geographic focus. Without further ado, let's dive deeper and see how it all works. This is your profile in the system. If you don't have a created project, such as bakery, cafe, car dealership, software studios, you can create one. Just click on the blue button and create it. If you don't know how to use the system, to get started with it, check our quick start guide. Very useful. There's a short video. To begin the search, we will open one of our projects, a bakery cafe in our case. We see that we have a little bit over 250,000 of the media outlets. They have different domain rankings. It's 38, 92, 87, 84. Let's filter them out. Let's filter them out for the 80 and higher domain ratings. For this, we'll click on the Create Filter button, this blue button, top left corner, and we'll scroll down just a little bit to the DR boxes at the bottom here. Hrefs, they provide the statistics. So in the from box, we'll type 80, and we'll click Save Filter. Let's see how many media outlets we have. 3,700, just a little bit over. All of these media outlets, it's 376 pages of those. They have different domain rankings such as 92, 87, 84, 92. Yet it's important, I would say it's critical to keep in mind relevance. It matters. Relevance of industry, relevance of geography. You can represent a financial industry company, but if you get published in a tourism magazine with a domain ranking of 85, it will do good. Oh, it will do you good, just a little good. To compare it, let's say the second day you publish yourself in financial magazine with a domain rating of, let's say, 80. And it will do much good for you because industry matters, relevance matters. Search engines are smart, AI is here. You can apply. We do have filters to help you identify your ideal industry. All you need to do is the very top search bar. It's to type finance. We have many industries out there. In this case, we'll apply finance, which is accounting, auditing, banking, credit, lending, insurance, investing. All of this is absolutely relevant to financial industry. And we will click Update Results. We now see that we have 211 media outlets that are aligning with our domain rankings and with our industry. Now, geographical relevance. That's another critical component in marketing when you're building links and making effort to push your visibility online. With search engines, with AIs, it matters a lot. Let's say we're an American company and we want other American companies to see us, to use our services, to work with us, collaborate. Then we have to get published in American media outlets. Unless our target audience is located in the European Union or another area of interest, then we must adjust accordingly. We can do this as well. All we need to do is open our filters, yet again, and in countries specify our ideal location, geography, audience. United States, for this particular example. We'll click Update Filter, and we'll be able to see that the number went down from 211 to 43. These 43 media outlets are perfectly aligning with every single goal, the most important attributes of link building. the marketing here. To get published, make a choice. You won't get published in 43 at once. You'll go one by one. Quality link building. On the right side, you can see additional statistics. We have tables here with domain rankings, traffics, trust levels, authorities, to help you make choice, which one comes first, second, just set priorities in a nutshell. To get published, all you need to do is click View Prices, compare the platforms that are selling those particular publications. Click there, you will get redirected to that platform, and you'll be able to place an order directly. Now, this is for the paid. For the paid links, for the paid guest post, we will now cover free ones because we do have over 10,000 of those as well. Same procedure. Open a project. We will apply filters. Let's apply the domain ranking, 80 and higher. We will apply our industry, finance industry, and we'll apply countries, United States. That's it now. We'll click Save Filter, and we see 4 absolutely free media outlets where we can post our links that will add big to our marketing effort, to our online visibility in Google, in GPTs, whole 9 yards. Now, it's critical to remember that there are different types of links. There are do follow links and there are no follow links. The main difference is no follow links doesn't do anything for you. In a nutshell, it does really. It sits there. So when people read the article about you, about your use case, they can click on it and visit. So it does something for you, but not too much. Do follow links do all of that plus more. Do follow links act as a vote of confidence. When we talk about search engines, visibility, trust levels, authority, when you get published, it adds you brownie points online in search engines for your visibility. So your brand, the more points it has, the higher chances that you will score better on Google, you will be higher than your competition, rivals. And you can filter out this table by do follow links. So it's all possible. All you need to do is click indexation, select a do follow, and save this filter. Save this filter, and we'll show you. Okay, I created a second filter. We'll delete the second filter. We will use the first filter, we'll just update it. It's important not to make this mistake, because if you create second filter, you can shift between filter 1, filter 2, it will show you different pages. You want to make sure everything stays in one filter. So we will apply indexation rule to do follow. In this case, it will be domain ranking 80 and higher. We'll have our industries, finance and everything related, region United States, and do follow. We'll update the filter, and we see there's one source. You click how to get, you follow instructions on how to get published there, and totally free with all of these filters included. Domain rank 83, we can see 80 and higher, United States, the area selected, perfect industry, do follow link for absolutely free yet again. You are there. Thank you for watching. We are always here for you. If you have more questions, book an appointment with us. We'll be more than happy to meet, answer all of your questions, and potentially level up your use case. We do provide marketing services. Bye-bye for now.